$1, 500 vanishes from your account every year, and your zero foreign fee credit card is letting it happen invisibly. Here's the trap. Your card issuer tells you there's no foreign transaction fee, but Visa and Mastercard aren't your card issuer. They apply their own assessment fees. Then your bank adds a currency conversion margin on top. By the time your $100,000 international real estate purchase settles, you've paid $2,000 to $4,000 in fees that never appeared as line items on your statement. Most high-income professionals don't realize this until they've already lost $18,000 to $60,000 over a decade. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you where these three hidden fee categories lie, the exact percentages Visa and Mastercard charge, not your card issuer, them, and which account structures actually eliminate all three. If you're spending $50,000 or more annually on foreign transactions, this is a structural decision that compounds faster than most investment returns. Stick around, because the fix is simpler than the trap. Let's start with the first layer, Visa's International Service Assessment. According to Visa's official 2024 guidelines, every foreign transaction incurs a 15% ISA fee. This is Visa's charge, not your bank's. Your bank sees this as a cost and passes it to you, either transparently, rare, or bundled into a currency spread, common. On a $50,000 annual foreign spend, that's $575 per year just from the ISA, and most cardholders never know Visa's name is on the charge. Here's the rehook, that $575 isn't taxed income you can write off. It's a loss hidden in plain sight. Most professionals tracking their expenses miss this entirely because it doesn't appear as a separate line item. You see the wire transfer. You don't see Visa extracting its percentage, but it's real money leaving your accounts every single transaction. The second layer is Mastercard's currency conversion margin. Mastercard doesn't publish a single markup percentage. Instead, they reference their official FX guidelines, which allow card networks to embed a 1% to 2% margin into the exchange rate they quote your bank. Your bank then quotes you the interbank rate plus their own spread. So on that same $50,000 spend, Mastercard's embedded margin alone costs you $500 to $1,000 annually. Combined with Visa's ISA, you're already at $1,075 to $1,575 per year before your bank adds anything. Here's where it gets worse. And this is the layer that separates professionals who know about fee structures from those who don't. Your bank's own foreign transaction fee. Chase, Bank of America, Citigroup, they all layer an additional 5% to 2% on top of the network fees. Some cards advertise zero foreign fees, which technically means zero beyond the network assessment. But that 1% to 2% Mastercard margin is still there, legally and invisibly. A $100,000 international purchase now carries $150 Visa ISA plus $1,000 $2,000 Mastercard FX margin plus $500 $2,000 bank spread equals $2,650 to $5,150 in total hidden fees on a single transaction. The statement shows a wire transfer. It doesn't itemize the fee layers. This is the belief gap most professionals get wrong. They think a card with 37% foreign transaction fees means no fees. It means zero fee on top of the network assessment. The Visa ISA and Mastercard FX margin are baked into the exchange rate you're quoted. You never see them labeled separately. You can't dispute what you can't see. Now, here's the structural solution, and why this matters more than just savings. Certain account types eliminate layers 2 and 3 entirely. Premium banking relationships at major institutions and specialized international banking platforms allow you to negotiate or eliminate the currency margin. Some business banking accounts offer direct Mastercard or Visa corporate rates that strip the margin completely. The research shows professional tier accounts can recover 1% to 2% of foreign transaction volume, which on a $50,000 annual spend means $500 to $1,000 back per year. Over 12 years, that's $6,000 to $12,000 recovered just from one structural account change. Money that then compounds if you invest it. Here's the final piece most people miss. Audit your past 12 months of foreign transactions. If you spent $50,000 and paid an average blended fee of 3%, you've lost approximately $1,500. Many issuers allow you to file a dispute for unexpected currency conversion spreads within 120 days. You likely won't recover all of it, but even a 30% clawback is $450, real money that compounds.